Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I'm talk about you how to improve my English, how to learn this language, how to easily speak to English. It is lots of questions in your mind, yeah. But English is so easy. It is not difficult, but you lots of hard work. You have hard work every day. You try to speak every day. You try to learn without waste of money, without any join this coaching center. You will easily talk to the English, you will easily speak to the English. Okay, I am eager to speak English. Okay, I am desperate to speak English. I long to i long to speak English because my initial days, I did not learn this language. I did not I did not speak to English. Yes, but I will try. Without any, you are give this only less this money, and you will easily talk to the English. Yeah, I have only give this 800 rupees. I have downloaded this CV application, Joshkill application, and every day I'm try to speak co-learners. I try to speak the strangers. Okay, because you will every day you will try to the speak. You will try to the co-learners. You remove your hesitation. You remove your fear. Yes, guys, and you will speak confidently. Yes, every day 10 minutes, 5 minutes you will talk. Okay, my initial days, uh, my initial day, I use this shadowing technique. I use this I every day I went to the mirror, and I will talk to the myself. Okay, every day I talk to the my daily routine. Yeah, and every day I have lots of making this sentence. I have lots of making this sentence, and I'm thinking English. Yeah, but I have complete 2 years, huh? I have complete 2 years, and I have facing this camera, and I'm speak very well. Okay, without partner, without any join this coaching center, you will easily talk to the English. Every day, every day you you will take these actions. You will describe these things, you will describe this your actions. Yeah, but you will try, and you will easily talk to the English, and you will easily improve your communication skill. But you will desperate to speak English. Yeah, I am eager to speak English. You will eager to speak English. This question you will ask for yourself, and you will learn about this language. Okay, and you are easily speak very well. Okay, thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. uh, you are really my you are really watching this my video, you are really like this my video. Your like one shares, uh, I will motivate for me. Okay, thank you watching this my video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you can do. Thank you, bye bye.